You're most welcome for today's session. Today, we are going to demonstrate on how to put on a PPE, that is personal protective equipment. We have quite many of them, though I don't have most of them here. But personal protective equipment, also the level depends on the procedure you're going to do. For example, when you're going to do the scrubbing or squeezing something, I'm going to demonstrate now. We put on our apron. You put on the apron and then put on your mask. Then you put on your gumboot. On the gumboot. Then you put on the goggle because the water might flash on your eyes. And then you put on the gloves. Ideally, it is supposed to be a heavy duty gloves, but I don't have it here now. You put on your gloves, and then you're ready to do your work. This is just to protect yourself, such that you may not be infected also in case of those other things. That is all. Thank you for watching.